Hello, welcome to Click2Cloud. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate how to access and manage your cloud using CloudBrain. CloudBrain is a multi-cloud management platform. Prerequisites for accessing and managing your cloud through CloudBrain. Access key and secret access key. Go to the Click2Cloud's CloudBrain URL and enter the login credentials. User can access data center, database, storage, container details through dashboard. It gives you a TCO report, monitoring, migration, CAP, and other reports in a more convenient way. There are two ways by which we can add cloud provider in the CloudBrain. Dashboard and compute. Before adding cloud provider, you can see the icon is showing 0 count as there is no cloud account is added. First, I will add the Alibaba cloud provider through dashboard. Click on cloud option to add cloud account. Here click on the plus icon to add Alibaba cloud provider. After this, provide the details such as name, type, region, access key and secret access key and click on Validate tab to validate the credentials. Once done with the successful validation, click on Add button to add the provider. On the dashboard you can see the status of Alibaba cloud provider account is changed and the count is increased from 0 to 1. Means one new cloud account is successfully added. By double-click on cloud provider you can see the details of zone, region and host name. User can cross-verify the same by checking Cloud Console. Also, user can see the added cloud provider details TCO, migration status, consumption, accounts in database, storage, and so forth. Now, I will perform the same addition of cloud provider through compute. Go to Compute, Cloud and click on Provider. Here user can see Alibaba cloud account is 1. Now here click on Configuration, click on Add new cloud provider. Add the details like name, type, region, access key and secret access key and click on Validate tab to validate the credentials. Once done with the successful validation, click on Add tab to add the provider. After adding the provider successfully, you can see the added Alibaba cloud provider displaying. You can also check the number of instances, flavors, cloud tenants, availability zones, images and so forth. Now here you can see the account count is increased from 1 to 2. Means one new cloud account is successfully added. User can cross-verify the same by checking Cloud Console. Similarly, user can create infra through CloudBrain. For this, go to Orchestration tab, click on Dashboard. Here click on Create New Template button. For creating the template, give template name, select cloud, account type, region. Click on checkbox of predefined templates. Then select templates. Select topology. After selecting topology, you can see the details of your infra. Then click on Validate tab. After successful validation, click on Create tab to create the infra of your chosen cloud. For more updates on videos, stay tuned and visit us at click2cloud.com. Thank you.